Hi, everyone. I'm Christina Fletcher from Spiritually Aware Parenting, and I am here to invite you to a special event that I am hosting for the month of December. December is always a very stressful, chaotic month for most people. It's amazing how all of the pressures from the year can kind of seem to accumulate into one month where all of a sudden it's like a rush to get things done. There's a lot of shoulds, a lot of guilt, a lot of things that feel pressurized to do. And often, actually, we like to do it under the term of making our children happy, giving our children good memories, making sure that the season is magical for children. And there's a lot of guilt in that too. So there's so much pressure at this time of year that I really felt called to offer you something to make sure that you can make a more authentic, truer, called inner experience for you and your children. It's amazing how when you actually just put a few things in place, you can release all that pressure, release those shoulds, release the things that feel forced and unlike yourself, and create an authentic experience. And when you do, I promise you this, when you do create that authentic experience and listen to those inner pulls, suddenly your children feel far more connected to you, and they experience on a totally different level. You will feel a deeper connection with your children and as a family that you can flow together and experience something all your own. It's amazing how when you listen to your inner callings and trust your inner experience, things just seem to unfold in a different way. So I am offering a 5-part video series that starts on November 29th. We are going to be diving into creating you'll have a weekly video coming in out every Monday, which will arrive directly into your inbox. So you don't even have to visit social media if you don't want to. If you do want to visit social media, then you will find that over in the Facebook group of the Spiritually Aware Parent Community, you'll find some prompts that will help hold space for you and hold you accountable as you work through the different focuses that I've laid out for you. You're going to be learning how to release and let go of the shoulds and also of even some of the tensions you might be finding with your family or with the relatives or friends that you know. You're going to be experiencing different practices that will help you be more mindful, more present, more available for your children so that you can see the world through their eyes and really meet them where they are and create an experience of magic and wonder. And actually live that experience of magic and wonder. It's not going to be down to you to create it. So there's a lot of things that will be in place for you so that you can create a flow into your new year. I really hope that you'll join me on this experience. I'm pretty proud of it. I'll be honest. I've always wanted to put something together that's going to really support you and hold space for you during this busy time of the year. And of all years, I think this is the year that everybody needs it the most. So you can sign up over on my website, spirituallyawareparenting.com. There's also going to be a link at the bottom of this video, and you can just click right on over, drop in your email, your name, and you will be finding the first video in your inbox on November 29th. Pop on over to the Facebook group, the Spiritually Aware Parent Community as well, and then we can connect and I can get to know you. I look forward to working with you. Love and light, and happy holidays.